Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video we're going to be talking about ways that you can increase your AOV. Stay tuned.
3 ways.
3 ways.
As mentioned, we're going to get straight to the point here like always. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, like this video if you find any value in it, like it for more. And make sure that you actually keep up with us not only here on YouTube but on Instagram. We are on Instagram, we are on TikTok, we're on Twitter, we are on Facebook, and we are on LinkedIn. So all those are Those are going to be in our description below. Number one, without a doubt, I think to just play with that AOV and keep it a little higher is to offer different types of shipping for different prices. And so a lot of people I know, including myself, to be honest with you, I offer 3 different shipping rates.
Put a screenshot right here.
We'll throw a screenshot up where each one is priced at different, of course, different prices, and customers can kind of just choose one, and that's usually just what they pay for, and then they get the product whenever they get it. Usually, some people I know, I've also done this in the past, I've also tried this out in the past, and it worked pretty well. I'd only offer one shipping rate, and it would cost $5. And so, if it's a winning product, if it's selling really well, it'll sell regardless. And so I had that mentality in my mind, and so I would literally just price my shipping at $4.99. And most times, like maybe a small fluctuation of customers would actually leave. Like most would just, pay the $5 knowing that, it's probably good shipping and get their product, no questions asked. So that's just an extra $5 in my pocket, free money. Some people also do like the whole, we'll throw a screenshot up where it's like free shipping, and then they'll offer like a little bit of better shipping for like $4, and then like a final like grand slam of shipping for like $10 or $12. And that will just really increase your AOV, more money in your pocket pretty much, and your customers are just going to feel like that much more confident when ordering from your site.
Yeah guys, another way to increase your AOV, something that I've been doing recently, I've been starting to integrate it with a lot of my stores, it's selling warranties. And the way you do this is basically, say it works really well if you have like electronic products, like if you're in like the tech niche, or any even like a home improvement like tools niche as well, because like a lot of like men or like whatever, men or women per se, but a lot
it's
of
not going to work for a t-shirt.
Yeah, it won't work you can't sell a warranty for a t-shirt, right? It just makes stuff that like if it breaks, then like they can get a refund or whatever, you ship out another unit, right? So what you do is you charge, so you sell a product, whatever, put a quantity discount, whatever the case is, or an upsell for a warranty, and usually I charge like $10, or depending on how expensive the product is. So if it's a higher ticket item, I'll do like 30% of like the product cost. So if it's like $100, I'll do like a $30 warranty. So it's all dependent on that. And then basically when they buy it, it's technically free, right? I mean, it doesn't cost you anything to fulfill the warranty, right? It's just an extra $30 in your pocket, or whatever the price is, extra $10. And it's super, super good because like who doesn't want like extra money in their pocket, right? Especially if you can do it for free. And a lot of the times, like for the stuff you're selling, I mean, if it really breaks, like the odd time, someone will actually like remember that they purchased it, and they will email you saying, oh, like I bought a warranty, please ship me an additional unit. And all you got to do for that really is just contact your supplier, say that it broke, they'll send you a refund, and then just send them. They should send you a refund if they're a good supplier. Yeah, yes sir. And you'll get your money back. So really, there's like there's no real cost involved there. But yeah, something that would really increase your AOV, guys. Definitely look into that. Like I said, picture over here, we'll put a screenshot, ding, right there. And so you guys can use that screenshot too if you want to. And there you go, it's another way.
Guys, coming in at number 3.
Nala.
Without a doubt would be to offer some kind of not only post-purchase upsell, but also upsells before they even actually purchase. So like things on the product page, like like volume upsells. So for example, a common one that I've used and had so much success with is with an app called Ultimate Special Offers. And with this app, basically you can place a chart on your product page saying like, buy more to save more. And so if they buy 2%, if they buy like 2 of your item, they'll get it for like an additional 10% off. If they buy 3, they get it for 15. You get the point, right? And so with that, without a doubt, has not dramatically, but definitely helped out with like the AOV of my store, and increased revenue by at least like 5 to 10%. So definitely try that app out for sure. Unless it's a product where like they don't need at least 2 or 3 of them, it's not worth it. But like for example, if you were selling like like a dog water bottle, you know, and be like, have 2 dogs, buy 2 for this much off, or you know, like there's so many ways to get creative with it, really. But when you think you're a smart marketer and you know, okay, like my end consumer actually might need 2 or 3 of these, and you offer like a small discount, they'll see it as like an amazing opportunity, you know, to save 5% or 10%. At the end of the day, they're only really saving a couple dollars. But you know, it adds up. It definitely helps out with like your profit margins and just increasing overall revenue. So definitely offer some kind of, you know, upsell or bundle, like bundle the warranty, like he said. You know, definitely gonna help out and work no matter what, especially if you're scaling.
Exactly, guys. A lot of people don't really talk about this stuff, right? I mean, people like they don't like leaving money on the table too. So I mean, it's always good to have some sort of backup, especially if your ROAS isn't good that day for your Facebook, right? You want to have some backup kind of money just to make sure everything's still kind of profitable, right?
Can't forget about retargeting though.
Yeah.
We'll talk about that in a future video. But retargeting is just
2020 retargeting strategy. Yeah, retargeting is really effective.
It's the motherboard of your marketing.
Yeah, we're a little bit off the line here, but retargeting, definitely gonna make a video for that. Comment what you guys think below. Honestly, tell us what you think we should do for that one, and we'll definitely do it.
Finish it up.
Alright guys, so that wraps up for this video. We hope you learned a lot from this. Like we've said, not too many people are talking about this stuff. I mean, people do have their ways to increase their AOV, but they never really mention the specifics. They'll say stuff just like, you know, increase the price, or like lower your product cost, like buy from a cheaper supplier. Like that will increase your AOV.
Sticky add to cart.
Yeah, sticky add to cart. Like nah, like you want like physical things that are actually gonna make you more money. Like not just like buying stuff for cheaper, increasing your prices.
Or
right?
it's mentioned, but like in their course. So we're giving this all away for free, guys. You know, show some love. If you found some value in this video, if you're experienced at all, and you understand some of this stuff, but you still liked it, you know, leave a like or a comment. If you're new, then you definitely found some value in this. So, you know, if you're hearing this, leave a like. We really appreciate you guys. I'm sure that like this isn't the first video you watched. If it is though, and you enjoyed it, of course, again, you know, leave a like, tell us what you liked about it, and we will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.
Take care.